Millions wake up each day chasing survival, not success. You wake up early, work hard, hustle every single day, yet wealth feels like a distant dream. Let's talk about the system. Here is what they never told you. The global economic system is not designed to make the average person wealthy. It is structured in a way to reward those who understand how to use money strategically and punishes those who don't. If you simply follow the default path, go to school, get a job, save your money in the bank, you will find yourself in the poverty zone. And I want to ask you this honest question. Are you using your money or your money is using you? You continue to work harder in your 9 to 5 and continue to fail further behind. It is not by accident, it is by design. So how are you using your money? Money is not meant to be saved. Money is meant to be used to build wealth. Money is to a wealth builder what hammer is to a carpenter. Carpenter uses his hammer in his workshop to achieve whatever design he wants. The same thing with a wealth builder. A wealth builder uses money as a tool to build wealth. If you don't understand this, you will continue to wallow in abject poverty. Have you ever wondered why so many people are still broke even when they have made a lot of money? It's either they save their money in the bank or they use it to buy liabilities. The truth is that your bank will never tell you this. They will continue to encourage you to save because they use your money for business and make profits. So you don't need to continue saving your money in the bank because money is not meant to be saved. And if you must save, then use special accounts that will give you high yielding interest rate. Go to your bank, discuss with them. They will not disclose these things to you without you discussing with them, without you asking for it. There are some special accounts you can use in the bank to build your money. So instead of leaving it in your normal savings account, discuss with them on this special account where you can get up to 7%, 6%, 10%, depending on the specified account. But apart from that, it is important that you put your money into an income generating system that will help you to build wealth. And what are these systems? Now, let's begin to discuss them one by one. Number one is land banking. One thing that have actually helped me as a person in this journey of building wealth is land banking. And I want you to use that because it is something that is very powerful. Land can never depreciate, no matter how the situation or whatever economic recession that we are into. Land can never depreciate. Rather, it will continue to increase over time. So try as much as possible to invest in land banking because it will help you to grow your money. And one good thing about this is that it grows with time. So as you are growing, your money is also growing. This is a system that have helped me as a person to build wealth. Apart from land banking, you can go into properties. You can co-own. It's not a must, you must own the whole property. You can come as a team and then own one property. And then when the rent are being paid, you share the dividend. Then another important thing is for you to invest in yourself. Yes, increase your skill. Understand how money works. Spend your money on books and courses and workshops that will teach you how money works. The truth is that the amount of money you are making now is based on the knowledge you have. If you know better, you will earn more. Your banks will also not tell you this, but I will tell you. Your phone is more powerful than a bank branch. Using platforms like Cowrywise, PiggyVest, and M-Pesa, you can build real wealth, not just to save money. With your phone, you can automate these fintech apps to be deducting some amount of money from your account, either on daily basis, on monthly basis, or on weekly basis, depending on what you want. And then it can be saving it for you. But the good part of it is that it will keep compounding as time goes on. And when the money becomes bulky, you can even take it away and then put it into another income generating system. That is how to build wealth. Don't just leave your money in your normal savings account thinking that you are building wealth, because money in the bank is not wealth. Use it as a tool to build wealth. Fintech companies like M-Pesa, Cowrywise, PiggyVest are good platforms that you can use to grow your money. They have so many packages and features that you can explore that have high yielding interest rates. PiggyVest Investify and Cowrywise investment can allow you to use as low as 5,000 naira to invest in agriculture, mutual fund, and other investment platforms that they have. You can automate it and they keep deducting this money monthly. And as you compound it, you can never know the amount of money you will make over years. One good thing about these platforms is that they are safe and they are transparent and they have periodic payout. So you will not talk about losing your money. Your money is safe while you grow it. M-Pesa also have their packages. You can use the KCB M-Pesa to save money directly from your Safaricom line, earn interest, and even borrow money to do business. The M-Shwari also offers interest on savings up to 6%. So these packages are what you need for you to be able to multiply and grow your money, not a normal savings account. And your bank will never tell you this. Your bank will always encourage you to continue to save, and then they will use your money to do business and then give you little interest, which inflation will finish at the end of the day. Your bank give you between 4 to 5% interest, while inflation grows at 20% or even more. And instead of your money growing, it will keep decreasing. And in that way, you cannot be able to build wealth. So it is important for you to learn how money works so that you can use money as a tool to build wealth. And your later years will thank you for the decisions you made at your early years. If you are getting value from this video, please subscribe, hit the like button and share the video to your friends. And encourage us to continue to come out with valuable videos like this, where we'll continue to talk about how to make money and build wealth. Remember that the channel is Amy Wealth Money Lane, where we'll talk about money and everything that has to do with wealth building. Hit the like button.